wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West. I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again. It's story time! Oh, I'm so excited. Kids, are you ready for another nice, beautiful adventure story? Yes? You are? Well, let's get right into it because this is a special one. This is the Gingerbread Man. Ooh, Gingerbread Man. Ooh, I can't wait. I love the Once Upon a Time stories, don't you? So, let's start. Once upon a time, a little old woman and a little old man lived in a little old house. It's all little. Are these little old woman, little old man in a little old house? That's funny. One day, the little old woman decided to make a gingerbread man. Ooh, I wonder if it's a little gingerbread man. She cut him out of dough and put him in the oven to bake in the little oven. After a while, the little old woman said to herself, that gingerbread man must be ready by now. So she went to the oven door and opened it up. But then, oh no! Up jumped the gingerbread man and away he ran out the front door. What? Since when can gingerbread men walk? And this one is running. Look, do you see? It's running away. As he ran, he shouted, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. The little old woman ran after the gingerbread man, but she couldn't catch him. Oh no. He ran past the little old man as well, who was working in his garden. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I've run away from a little old woman, and I can run from you. I can. The little old man ran, but he couldn't catch the gingerbread man. Oh, who can run? Who else can run? Let's see. The gingerbread man came to a field of mowers. He called out as he went by, I've run away from a little old woman and a little old man, and I can run from you. I can. The mowers ran after him. Run. But they couldn't catch him. No. The gingerbread man ran on until he came to a cow. Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I've run away from a little old woman, a little old man, and a field full of mowers, and I can run from you. I can. The cow ran, but she couldn't catch him either. He ran between two picnicking bears. I've run away from a little old woman, a little old man, a field full of mowers, and a cow. I can run from you. I can. The bears jumped up and ran after him. They ran. But they too couldn't catch that gingerbread man. And then the gingerbread man came by. Olivia! Uh-oh, Olivia, I think this is your turn now. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I've run away from a little old woman, a little old man, a field full of mowers, a cow, and 2 picnicking bears. And I can run from you. I can. Then Olivia ran. Run, 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 Olivia, run. You can do it. Come on. Get the gingerbread man. But no, Olivia couldn't catch up either. And the gingerbread man got away again. Then the gingerbread man came by Fluffy. Fluffy! Fluffy, get him! Get him! Get him quick! And the gingerbread man said, Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I've run away from a little old woman, a little old man, a field full of mowers, a cow, 2 picnicking bears, and Olivia. And I can run from you. I can. Run, Fluffy, run. Get him. But no, Fluffy couldn't catch him either. Fluffy was tired. And the gingerbread man got away. Well, who can catch him? Let's see. The gingerbread man came by Mickey Mouse. Mickey, can you catch him? Oh, you like cookies, don't you? Well, go get him. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I've run away from a little old woman, a little old man, a field full of mowers, a cow, 2 picnicking bears, Olivia, Fluffy, and I can run from you. I can! Go, Mickey, go! Quick, quick, run, 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 run! Run! But the ginger man got away again. Mickey couldn't catch him. Mickey was too slow. Oh no. Then the gingerbread man came to a fox lying by the side of a river, and he shouted, Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. I've run away from a little old woman, a little old man, a field full of mowers, a cow, 2 picnicking bears, Olivia, Fluffy, Mickey. And I can run from you. I can. But the sly fox just laughed and said, If you don't cross this river quickly, you will surely get caught. If you hop on my tail, I will carry you across. That's funny. The gingerbread man saw that he had no time to lose, so he quickly hopped onto the fox's tail. Oh, said the fox, the water's getting deeper. Climb up on my back so you won't get wet. And the gingerbread man did. Look out, said the fox, the water's even deeper. Climb up on my head so you won't get wet. And the gingerbread man did. Oh, kids, what's going to happen next? It's too deep! It's too deep! Cried the fox. Climb up on my nose so you won't get wet. And the gingerbread man did. Then, with a flick of his head, the fox tossed the gingerbread man into his mouth. His jaws snapped shut. And that was the end of the gingerbread man. The fox ate the gingerbread man. That's so funny. The fox ate him. Yum, yum, yum. That tasted good. Well, Olivia, Fluffy, and Mickey, you know what? Next time, we'll make our own gingerbread man and we'll eat him here. I'm sure he won't run away. We'll make sure the fox is here. Well, kids, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope your gingerbread man tastes good too and won't run away. I wish you a wonderful day. Thanks for watching Dream Again. Good night. Sleep tight. And remember, dream again. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!